This is Jeff Miller, Product Manager for the Window Shade Division at Draper Incorporated. Today I want to talk about the importance of a good measurement and a good installation. We always try to build our products to the highest quality we can, and we definitely want nothing but the safest products possible. What we found out that is if the NEXD is installed in a compromised position where the measurement might be too short, and if you didn't use the plastic end cap covers when they were included in it, it could cause your fascia to be slightly not fit properly. Remember, you want to have metal attachment at the top and metal attachment at the bottom for a safe, secure fit. But what we've decided to do to err in the abundance of caution is start including a safety kit with each clutch and idler. And if you'll take these and insert into the face of the clutch or idler, attach it with the screws that are provided in the holes here, this will give you a larger surface area for your fascia to attach to, thereby eliminating any safety issues on the fit of your fascia. Another thing we discovered, and I'll show you this real quick, how that fits. Again, a complete extra surface area right here. The other thing I would point out too is with the idler, we found out that if the clutch was operated in a really aggressive manner, the idler itself could come out of the channels and the detents that are held in place. So this would prevent that from happening on the front, and in the wall mounting bracket would prevent that from happening on the back. If you do have a ceiling mount installation, you will get 2 of the safety brackets in your kit though. Hope that you find this video helpful. If you have any other questions, reach out to your Draper Inside Sales Consultant or your regional manager.